Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to present today. My name is Alwana Apiliani, name 33,220,162, Faculty of Language and Communication English Literature Study Program. And this presentation is part of the mid-semester examination for English class. Today, I'm going to talk about syntax project 1 and 2. I hope you find the insight then useful and interested. Okay, up next we have a topic of introduction, part of speech, diagram, and the last conclusion. Now let's move on the next first part is introduction. Understanding how sentences are structured is essential for mastering English grammar. Two important concepts in the syntax are part of speech and the sentence diagramming. Part of speech help us identify by function of each word in the sentence, while sentence diagramming visual show how these words are related. By learning both, we can analyze and construct sentence more accurately and effectively. Okay, let's continue with the material, which is about part of speech. Part of speech are categories that describe the role each word plays in the sentence. Well, there are eight main times. The first, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and the last interjection. Each type has a specific function, such as naming object, expressing action, describing quality, or connecting idea. Recognizing part of speech is the foundation for understanding sentence structure. And moving forward, we will now take a look at lexical and non-lexical part of speech. Part of speech are featured divided into lexical and non-lexical categories. The first lexical part of speech, noun, verb, and adjective and adverb carry the main meaning in the sentence and are known as the content words. Their words are open to new additional as a language evolves. In the contrast, non-lexical part of speech, such as pronoun, preposition, conjunction, determine, and the interjection, mainly several grammatical functions. They help connect and organize the context word, forming the structure of the sentence. Understanding this station help us see how meaning and grammar work together. And the next diagram. Sentence diagramming is a visual method for playing the structure of the sentence. It shows the relationship between the subject, verb, and the object and modify by arranging them on a diagram. For example, tree diagram. The subject and the verb are described by vertical line. Object follow the verb and modify branch or from the word they describe. Diagramming sentence make it easier to analyze complex sentence and the complex structure and see how each part of speech function within a sentence. And the last conclusion, in the summary, measuring part of the speech and the sentence diagramming provide a story and a strong foundation for understanding English structure by distinguishing between lexical and non-lexical words and the visualizing sentence structure. Learning can improve their writing, speaking, and comparison skill. Their tool make it easier to construct clear, correct, and effective sentence in English. Thank you. Hello everyone. After explaining syntax part 1, next I would like to discuss the following part 2 diagram 3. And There's diagram help us see the structure of the sentence or code in the clear and the easy way. By using syntax tree, we can understand how different parts of the sentence or program connect and work together. Let's explore how these three diagrams are made and why they are useful. Let's continue. The material is the number one. The sentence, the book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. Is a complex sentence consisting of the main clause and the relative clause. The main clause is the book has been borrowed by several students. With this clause, the subject noun phrase is the book that was recommended by the professor. This noun phrase include a relative clause that was recommended by the professor, which provide additional information about the noun is a book. And relative clause begin with the relative pronouns that which act as a subject of the clause and the was recommended by professor is we can call it passive voice. And the sentence breakdown, the is a determined, book is the noun, and that determined was auxiliary, recommended is a verb, and the by is the pronoun, the is the determined, and the professor is the noun. And the main clause for phrase of the sentence is has been borrowed by several students, where has been borrowed is in the present perfect passive form, and by several students indicate the agent performing the action. And the sentence breakdown is has in auxiliary been determined, free borrowed, and by is a pronoun, several is a determined, and the student is a noun. In structural, the sentence can be broken down into two main parts. Is the first noun phrase containing a head noun and a relative clause, and the next verb phrase in the passive voice that completes uh, the main clause. The structure demonstrates how complex sentence use a bench clause to add detail and the clarity to the main clause, the main idea. Okay, we can move on the next number. Number two, although the match was delayed. Okay, the next we can move on the number two is a sentence although the match was delayed to the rain, the play continued their run-up routine. The whole sentence is a complex sentence with two parts. The first part is subordinate clause and the next main clause. The sentence starts with the subordinate clause introduced by the word although, and in the subordinate clause, noun phrase is the match. The is the determined and match is the noun. And benar. And next we move on the number two. The sentence is although the match was delayed due to rain, the play continued their run-up routine. The whole sentence is a complex sentence with two parts. The first part is a subordinate clause, and the next part is a main clause. The sentence starts with the subordinate clause intro by word although is a subordinate clause, and the subject is the match. The is a determined and match is the noun. And the verb phrase is was delayed to the rain. Due to rain is a prepositional phrase explaining why the match was delayed. And the was in auxiliary, delay is a verb, and do is the adjective, and to uh, and the two preposition, and Rhine is the noun. After the subordinate clause, there are the main clause. The subject is the player. The is the determined and player is a noun. And the verb phrase is a continue their rhyme up routine. Their rhyme up routine is the object of the verb continue. Continue is a verb, there is a pronoun, and the rhyme up is an adjective, and the routine is a noun. Uh, their three structure how show the subordinate clause give background information, and the main clause tell what happened despite that. Okay, the next, number three, the sentence, the new regulation were announced by the government after the economic show side of instability is a complex sentence made up of main clause and the subordinate interval clause of time. And the main clause is the new regulation were announced by government. The subject noun phrase is the new regulation, where the is a determined and new regulation is a head noun with a modifier. See, and the is an adjective and regulation is a noun. And the verb phrase is a passive voice where announced by the government, and where it acts and announced is a verb. The prepositional phrase by the government indicate the agent performing the action. Is a be as a pronoun, the is a determined, and the government is a noun. And the next VP, subordinate clause is the after the economic show side of its instability. It begins with the subordinate conjunction after. After indicate time. The subject is the economic, and the verb phrase is a show side of instability, where side of instability function as an object with a MB prepositional phrase of instability. Is the determined, and economy is the noun, and the show is the show verb. Then and the show word is a verb, sign verb of and the pronouns, and the instability is the noun. The sentence demonstrates how a verbal sentence can follow the main clause to give temporal contents while still maintaining a clear subject object no, no, while still maintain a clear subject verb object structure. And the next number four, and the next number four, the main salah, and the next number four, the sentence, the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the Abanet's warehouse for weeks. It is complex sentence that include a main clause and relative clause embedded within the subject. And the main clause, the men have been hiding in the Abernet warehouse for weeks. The subject non-phrase is the man who was arrested last night. And the verb phrase is the past perfect possessive tenses has been hiding in the Abernet warehouse for weeks. And the relative clause who has arrived last night modifier the noun is a man who is the relative pronoun acting as a subject of the clause. The verb phrase was arrested last night in is a passive voice, and it provides additional descriptive information. And sentence breakdown is the is the determined, man is a noun, and who is a pronoun, was in the verb, rested is a verb, and the last night is an adjective. And and the verb phrase is has been asked, and hiding is a verb. In is a verb. Hiding is a verb. Prepositional phrase in the abandoned warehouse for weeks describe where and how long the maid had been hiding, and it contained a main noun phrase, the abandoned warehouse, and a temporal modifier for weeks. And the sentence breakdown is in pronouns, the determined, abandoned in adjective, warehouse is a noun, verb is a pronoun, and the week is a noun. The sentence demonstrates how relative clause add detail to the subject, while the main clause delivers the core action with the tense and the aspect that indicate duration in the past. Okay, the last number. Okay, the last number, number 5. The sentence, the big girl was a leather with a loved panda exactly, is a simple sentence with a clear subject and the predicate, including prepositional and adverb phrase that add detail. And the subject non-phrase, the big girl is a subject. It consists of the determined, the, and the adjective is a big, and the noun is a girl, where big modifier girl and non-phrase, the main verb is the sound, a past tense action verb, and the direct object is a Eleazar, the person being seen. And the prepositional phrase is with a loved panda, they live modify the verb and indicate the company or accompaniment. Within a loved panda is a noun phrase consisting of the determined is an adjective, lavender is a noun, and panda is a noun. And the adverb is a exactly. It's an adverb of the time that modifies the verb shall indicate when the action occurred. The sentence use clear modifier and the straightforward SVO, subject, verb, and object. And the structure enriched with the detailed tools, prepositional and adverb element. Okay, everyone, this concludes my presentation for today. Thank you very much for the attention and the time. I hope your material was clear and usable. Thank you.